Where's the in the back?
Oh, yeah, right here.
26, 27, 28.
This is the complex right here, the Gulf Highlands Resort. Here's where we backed up to our door. They've got a nice front section. See, it's 169. Turn around here. See, they're building a hotel on the beach right there, and that's the beach back there. Okay, let's go in. When you come in, there's a lock right here. So here's the condo. That's the upstairs there. Here's the kitchen. Very big. See how wide the countertop is? And you got them stools. There's a big mirror. Hello? So we got the dining table. And then back here we've got the area. There's the big screen. This is a pull-out bed right here. They've got inside here is games for the pool. And while I'm back here, I'm going to go out and show you what it looks like. We've got a barbecue, a swing, and concrete. This is our deck. It overlooks these others. The lady lives here. There's the big swimming pool. And all the units in the back here. Okay, now coming back through. There's a bathroom right here, a small bathroom. Little toilet, very nice. Now we'll go upstairs. when you come up here, there is an extra large washer and dryer to use. And then over here is our air conditioner. Here's the master bedroom. Got a little couch over there. Overlooks the pool. You got this big walk-in closet to hang your stuff and a chest. In the bathroom here, got a nice shower. To the kids' room here. There's their closet, big closet. Overlooks the front street here. It's another full size. And then they have a bathroom with a shower. And that's it. This is at 169 Grand Island Boulevard in the Gulf Highlands. And we paid $750 for a week, but there are places here that have been renting for like $600 for a month. I believe they're one bedrooms. And that's it. So we'll see y'all when we get home.